How does it feel to finish your first year at Max the Mutt?
It feels really, really good. I mean, like, there were times where I was like really stressed out with the work and everything like that, and just to have it all done first year and then coming here and looking at all the art around, it's a really good feeling. It really is.
Really good. It was probably the most crowning feeling I've ever had.
Yeah.
So, you know, sometimes you finish and you just kind of, it just ends, but this was just kind of like a really rewarding feeling.
How did you find your first year?
I found it pretty interesting and definitely really different from what I'm used to. Like, I spent the last 4 years at university and I took fine arts courses there. They were nothing like what the courses that I took here. Like, I was used to sort of like come up with really interesting concepts, but the execution didn't really matter. And here I really found that over the course of first year, it was just drilled into you how to look at things and like how to just observe and take those observations and put them on paper. And it was a lot more technical than any art course I've done before, but these results were so amazing.
Actually, like, exceeded my expectations just because how much there was so much content, and it was a short amount of time, but it is possible to do it if you put the work in. And yeah, I just could actually start to see all my work improve quite quickly, quite rapidly.
I've had a really great experience so far, and my skills have definitely grown like exponentially, I would say. Especially when it comes to composition and dealing with the page and having to formulate it so that it pulls your eye in certain directions. So my skills have definitely, you know, I've trained myself now to not say the word talent.
Yeah.
Because this is all skill. It's all being built from the ground up. And even if you don't know anything, like I did, you can come here and learn everything you need to learn in order to develop that greatness.
What did you like the most about your year?
Just the fact that like the faculty is really, really great and the instructors are really good, and the people that make it through the screening process and make it into the school are really, really, usually they're very hardworking, and it's really great to have a community of people who care about things as passionately as you do, and just being in that environment is really, really productive, and it's great.
It's mostly just the people. I don't know. Going to other schools, it's like you're just 1 in a million. But here, you're 1 in 15, so everybody knows you and your teachers know you.
Oh yeah, you get to know your teachers and everything.
The relationships with the teachers, what I really like, because you know, it's almost, when you start a school, you're almost afraid of getting lost in the sea of people, but here it's just really close with everyone. It's really nice.
How did you find instructors to be?
Instructors are mostly really friendly, really helpful. They usually try their best to help you out. Like, if you need some time, like, to get things or to fully understand them, they will try to get to you.
They emphasize coming to them. When you need something, don't act like a ghost. They want to see your work, even if it's crappy, because they want to help you, and that's just something that you don't get from other schools, that I've seen at least.
And you learn from them because they're all people who've worked in the industry, so you can ask them all these questions about like what they do and experiences they've had on previous projects, and so not only are you learning how to do the art, but you're kind of learning what you're going to expect when you get into the workforce.
Would you recommend Max the Mutt to anyone?
Oh, absolutely. I think anybody, particularly the workshops, because I mean, if you're not in this for the long haul, or you don't necessarily want a career in art, but you want to pick it up as a hobby, I think the Learn to Draw workshops are definitely a great idea.
Well, if anyone likes sequential arts, concept arts, or animation, come to Max the Mutt. I think it's a great choice for anyone. It's a small place, great instructors, great people here. Just try it out.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend the school to anyone that's serious about becoming a better artist and pursuing animation and concept design, because it's obviously what the school is built around, and they're serious and committed to that. So yeah, totally worth it.
I would recommend Max the Mutt for anyone. Doesn't matter if you're coming straight out of high school or you're like me and have graduated university. It's still, like, I think, totally, like, invaluable. It's amazing. And I say, like, take the chance, because I think even if you just did first year, you'd be amazed at what you'd see.
If you would like to learn more about Max the Mutt or want to pursue a career in animation, concept art, or sequential art, click on the link that the arrows are pointed to in the box below, or go to www.maxthemutt.com. If you would like to watch the full student interviews, click on the video thumbnails below.